Hello family, welcome back to another episode. This is Chef Malik Eric, and this episode we are coming to learn how to cook banku. So thank you for subscribing and your comment. Keep subscribing, and if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe and follow the channel. So these are my ingredients for the banku. This is the cassava dough and my corn dough is here. I'll start mixing my banku items, and this is the corn dough. This is my cassava dough too. So I'm adding the cassava dough to make sure that my banku will be having starch. So now I'll add my water. So what I'm doing now, that's the mixture of the cassava and the corn dough. I'm adding my water. So when you are adding the water, you should know the quantity you have to add to make sure that the water will not be more than the corn dough and then the cassava dough. Now add my salt. And I'm coming to stir the banku. Now put it on the fire. So this is my stirring stick, which I'm going to use to stir the banku. You can see me stirring. The reason of me stirring without stopping to prevent it from having bubbles. When you leave it for some time, so that the bubbles will be too much, and you start stirring, you can't control the bubbles again. You end up by having bubbles in the banku, which is not like the banku taste nice. You have to make sure that you continue stirring it till it mixes properly before you can leave it for some time on fire. So now you see that the banku has gotten to another stage, which you have to take your time well and stir it. So make sure that you always clean at the edges to make your cooking neat. So I have to clean the stirring stick and add water to it. Make it boil some 2 to 3 minutes before I stir, so that it will cook very well. So add my small water and then cover it. So now coming back to stir it again to make sure that the both sizes mix together. So now I'll leave it for some time again. I'll come back and continue stirring it. I need to add more water. It's like my banku is still hard, so add some water. It's ready. I'm now going to cut it in the rubber. This is my rollers. bring small water to prevent the banku not to touch the rubber when you are opening it. So at this point you have to lower your fire so the under will not burn. This is my banku.